Now we are going to test a program to try to prove that there is not fails into the goldbach conjecture. Well, um, now we have a program made in Python that is created to test is the callback conjecture is valid for different value of n, and how the this language have not a function that gives if a prime, if a number is prime or not, and we need to use something like the library math, and I need to define a function that give me the answer if a number is prime or not. In this case, I am using this formula that is based on the literary eternal format, and when this value of c is a integer number, that means that x is a prime number. I'm going to compare the value of c and the value of the convert c to the less integer that is saved into the variable d, and if the two values are equal, that means that the number x is prime, and the function is going to give me the value true. But if not true, it's going to return the value false. Here is the main part of the program. We begin with the Boolean variable flag, like false, and the values of n are going to begin with 2, and it is going to finish with 500. And we are going to try to find two values p and q. If p is lower than n and it is prime, we try to find a value of q, and this value will satisfy the conjecture of goldbach, and this value is prime 2. That means that the conjecture of goldbach is valid for this case for the number 2n, and the flag variable is going to turn into true. But that is not true. We are going to try to find other value of p that could satisfy the conjecture. If we try with different value of p and never we find that the flag could be turned into true, and that means that the callback conjecture has failed, and we are going to show this message. And later we are going to try to test the conjecture with other value of n, and we return the value of the flag to false for continued testing. Well, now we are going to run the program. And you may see the different message, and for 1000 the callback is true, for 1998 callback is true, and for other value beginning with 4 and the goldbach conjecture is valid, thus mean that for a small number the conjecture is going to be valid always. And you might try using other language with values like a limit of 10,000, 100,000 or other values, and always you are going to find that the goldbach conjecture is true. Thank you for your attention.